Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaraya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to copy files link in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, just go ahead to this Terabox applications, of course, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. So if you want to copy the link of your files in this Terabox account, just go ahead to the share button at the bottom. Now tap on this select files to share. And after, simply you just have to choose the files that you want to copy for the link. For example, like this, I'm going to tap on it. Now tap on share. Simply, we'll find out here the copy link option. We just have to tap on it like this. And the link copied. Now tap on this understood. And now, if it is already copied for the link, you can simply share it to another application, yeah guys, by share for the link before. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.